Well, Mercedes-Benz is the world's largest commercial vehicle manufacturer, and we are in this business of manufacturing trucks and vans for more than 100 years in every single segment of that business. And waste management is of course just one of those segments where we're active. Specifically in that market, we are producing specialized vehicles for waste management, such as the Actros or the Iconic, which are our heavy truck models, which we use also here in Singapore. We are the only company that is providing everything from vehicles of less than 2 tons to more than 50 tons in the payload. That's everything from a van to a pickup to a truck or a heavy truck even. Well, I would say over the last 10 years we've brought out new products in our heavy truck segment, specifically for garbage collection, which are both lighter and cleaner and more fuel efficient than before. For example, in Singapore we are now supplying the so-called Euro 5 standard of emissions, and that's close to the latest and best standard that you can get. And our trucks are very much now fitted with innovations for trucks, such as automatic shifting, because obviously garbage collection is very much a start-stop operation. Yeah, you're collecting from different houses and different buildings. So this has helped a lot to improve both efficiency of the vehicle and also the productivity of the people who are working for our customers here. And I think that's been very much appreciated. In general, yes, we have seen overall increasing demand. Of course, it's different according to different countries. But in general, yes, because the population is increasing, therefore the amount of waste will naturally increase. And we see different requirements from different countries, but you know, some have different logistical problems, such as Malaysia being a much larger country than Singapore. There are different challenges to collecting waste. However, in Singapore we've seen increases in demand, mainly because there are different ways of handling waste now. For example, the segregation of paper or glass or plastic requires different kinds of vehicles to collect that. So we're confident over the next years that we'll see a lot more waste management vehicles being required in the region. I think the opportunities are there in terms of the technology that both the truck manufacturers and the customers are trying to bring now to the market in terms of handling waste more efficiently, because as we previously mentioned, because the population increases, there's more waste to deal with, which means that you need more efficient ways of doing this. So we're always developing new and better products, mainly to reduce fuel consumption and emissions, to make it a cleaner business. You know, waste management does not always have the cleanest image of truck business, but I think the challenges are there in terms of the population growth and how can we better segregate the waste from what can be reused and recycled and what really has to be waste at the end of the day. So we're very much in favor, of course, of reusing as much things as possible, and we're developing together with our partners the best ways of doing that. Well, compared to 2 years ago, Yeah, we have been very satisfied with the way that everything has turned out. We partnered together with a customer of ours 2 years ago, and we showcased a vehicle from them. But I think this year we're really going in a different direction. We're looking for a bigger stand and a different kind of vehicle that we'll be showcasing. Of course, I can't show that to you now, but I can of course show you a truck such as this. This is our Actros, which is the heavy-duty truck, which we're selling throughout Asia and Pacific regions. And of course, I think what we're really excited about this year is that this show will have grown, and we're looking to really increase the footprint across Asia and reach out and welcome customers from other countries such as the Philippines or Hong Kong or even Australia.